Imagine cutting down your daily tasks by hours with just a few clicks. First up, we have Notion. This all-in-one workspace lets you organize notes, tasks, and projects seamlessly. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Next, there's Grammarly. This tool doesn't just check your grammar, it enhances your writing style, making every email and report shine. Then we have Trello, a visual project management tool that keeps your team on track and your projects moving. It's like having a digital whiteboard that updates in real time. Don't forget about Zapier, which automates repetitive tasks between apps. Set it up once and it runs in the background, saving you precious time. Finally, there's Otter.ai, which transcribes meetings in real time. No more scrambling to take notes, just focus on the conversation. These tools are game changers, transforming how you work and giving you back those valuable hours. Imagine cutting down your daily tasks by hours with just a few clicks.